Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a tilt shift video on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this video. It is better if it's from like this sort of point of view. Then I'm just going to go to effects. Also, you'll need CapCut PC Pro for this. Type in tilt shift lens and you're just going to add that to your video. I'm going to also change the where the blur is at, so I'm just going to choose the vertical one so you can see the car and it will blur the other parts instead, like that. And then I am going to also type in FPS lag and I'm going to add that on to the video, and I'm just going to speed it up a little bit so it actually looks like a toy car is moving. And you can kind of select the video a little bit and maybe add in some adjustments to make it look even more, I guess, fake. Usually just turn up the saturation with that. And up the saturation and adjust the hue and the brightness and stuff like that. But that is pretty much it, really. Super simple. Now it looks like a toy car is moving. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. And I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. You can also change the FPS here to make it even more vague. But yeah, I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. And also, if you think this video was helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!